It's a certified 2020 Toyota Corolla. When a car leaves such a striking impression, it's perfectly normal to stare. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated sport seats, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start smart device, leather steering wheel, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic continuously variable transmission. The Car Connection notes the front seats are comfortable and Toyota has lengthened their cushions. Despite that, the Corolla will seat 4 6-footers without front seat occupants having to slide their seats far forward. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.